Hi there. Today I want to show you how to fix BMW's pretty common problem when the E-Series BMW is equipped with a night vision camera. So usually it's located here. With time it's becoming damaged. The lens is not shiny anymore. It's becoming looking like this. It's not showing any picture anymore. So I have the lens and today I'll try to fix it to make it work like new. Let's go. First, let's start the night vision and we will see is anything visible here. So this is a typical problem. There is only a white screen. Nothing can be visible, but in front of me I have some objects and they can't be visible. So there's definitely a problem with night vision camera. So I have removed the camera. It's here. Also, I have prepared some tools. Actually, it should be not very hard to disassemble camera. It's just assembled from few modules. They are glued together with some sealant. I will add it also. And I have prepared a new lens. I have few of them, so if you need some, you can just send me an email and I can send them to, I don't know, worldwide with delivery, so no problem with that. Here is the new lens. It is exactly the same material we need. And let's start job. It's not opening, and this is why we need to cut the sealant. Don't cut it too deep, otherwise you can damage the camera and then it can't be saved. It's not so easy to change this lens. It will be necessary to disassemble it fully. I disassembled it, got out also broken part, got another bolt. There is inside this lens. And to get it out, I'm just pressing on it and it's going out. This is the lens. From one side, it's outside, and this is the inside. It should look like a mirror. And this is the heating. I need to remove it and add it to a new lens. And a little bit later, everything is glued back, everything is assembled, and the new lens is in place. So I can assemble all the parts, add sealant here, and assemble. I will let it dry for a short time. And then I can connect camera back and check is it working. It could be very nice to do not forget insert this connector, otherwise camera will not work. The lens is assembled again, it's new, sealed. I will remain for a few hours to dry sealant and to cut it off, and also I have special sealing paint, so I will paint it a little bit to make sure that everything will be closed for the water. Looks like almost as new. And now it's already dark outside, and let's switch on night vision system again. And you can see everything is nice and clear. Even the small details on the trees can be seen. There is human with a dog, I think, or it's two humans
I can't clearly understand, but approximate distance is about 50 meters. So again, the night vision system is working very good.
And as you saw, camera can be fixed with new lens. So it can be bought also from me if you need. You have my email in description, and thank you all and goodbye.